Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely great. So today me and my friends are going to explore a 9th century built cave temple right in the middle of Pune, and then we will go forward and eat from somewhere around that area. Where are we going? Well, the temple name is Pataleshwar Caves, and but let me tell you, it was built in 9th century, and that era was during that time Pune was under the Rashtrakuta Empire. So the detailed history I'll tell you once I reach there. I'm excited because I am kind of a history freak. I love history. I love reading about these ancient stuff and going on to these ancient places, and India is filled with one of them. And also I'm excited to go there. You can just look at my face and see I'm so super excited. So let's begin the day. Today it's very chilly outside, kind of, you can say it's around 16 17ish degree, and pretty sunny also, so I don't think I will need a sweater. But yeah, let's begin our day. It looks amazing today, so let's begin. So yeah, we have arrived here. It's
Hello.
after so long she has been in the vlog. So yeah, we stopped over at that bus stop, and now it's just like 5 minutes from here.
We are going
Super
to the
excited.
caves right now.
We are so super excited to just, because we both are from Pune. We both are from Pune and we have never been there, so it's going to be an amazing thing, you know. So yeah, let's just go there and tell you. So yeah, this is the Pataleshwar caves that I was talking about. So you will not actually see it from the street because it has like this a small gate kind of thing, and you may never probably even see this if you don't look it up at the on the map. They really maintained this, right? Right?
Considering that it's still hidden in one of the most busiest roads
Streets,
in
yeah.
Pune.
FC Road is like one of the most busiest roads in Pune, and
Known for street shopping though.
imagine, this is a 9th century cave built during Rashtrakuta Empire. They built it very near to the Sangam of Mula River, and bro, seriously, they built it. She always does this. Just look at this.
So it is a monolith
Yeah,
structure, which means it's carved from a single stone.
yeah. This entire thing. This entire thing was made out of one single stone, I guess.
Yes.
They just dug it right here, right?
So initially, if it's actually a single stone but divided into three sanctums. Us time pe it used to be for the Trimurti, Brahma, Shiva, and Maheshwar.
Dude.
But right now it is for Shiva, Parvati, and Ganesha.
So yeah, this is the inner sanctum. This is the outer sanctum, and right around this, you can just have a good time. You literally have a park there also, so you can just come here and chill. We'll go inside and then come up. Okay. I don't fall. Can you imagine? This is like 9th century cave, and they literally made everything by hand. We did not have power tools back then. And we just went out, saw the footage, came back in.
But we are reshooting.
Yeah, but yeah, it literally gives you goosebumps if you're a history freak, you know, especially like me. I just love this history. Just see this structure, the way they made it, only by hands. Okay, I'll show you a better frame. To be honest, that's even more. So see, this all has been vandalized. You can have a look here. It's all vandalized. You can see there was something over here, even there. Just look at that. That is clearly vandalized. Something has been vandalized. And look at this. The kind of, what can you say?
So imagine this has been built in 9th century. Peshwas have come, Mughals have come,
So-
walked through this,
so-
the Bajirao, Tanaji, everyone, and we're literally on that.
Maybe.
Imagine so many.
You never know because
You
see,
never know.
because
but
see,
still,
Pune,
9th century is everything.
Pune has always been a political powerhouse throughout history. Only during the Peshwas it actually grew a bit because Peshwa had their seat over here. But honestly speaking, even during the people who built this, okay, the king who might have just given the orders to build this during the Rashtrakuta period, the period during which this was built, imagine from 9th century, how many years is that? Like more than
Around
6, 7, 800 years, 800 years. So it can be a fact that so many warriors and legends that we hear about in our history books, kings, queens, all of them might have walked over here, and that itself gives you this kind of goosebumps.
That
And
we are walking, we are literally.
and that's a possibility because obviously it's so old, and yeah, obviously the vibes that you get over here, my god, you know, you literally have that feeling that you know there is and
It's you have to come and महसूस करना है, वही बोल सकते हैं.
yeah, you have to be here to even notice that change. And I'm freaking out just because I'm a history buff. That's the only reason. And even if you look there are even more places where there might have been some things. Obviously, I'll not show you the
Things have been
removed, destroyed, or something. So, yeah, one of the things is this. This might be wall painting, and you can see the paint over here. And that may be during excavation, that may be anything, but you know, it's amazing. Obviously, I'll not show you the temple. That's not something I want to do. To be here, to just see the temple itself, but. Just see this, like you're walking here.
Something has been removed here. Or,
Removed.
or maybe it's just a.
Maybe it's a carving, or maybe it has been destroyed. You never know. It had a lot of time to be destroyed. It had a lot of time to be built. And imagine this was found during an excavation.
And hence, it's little downwards. We are literally inside, little niche.
Yeah, we are literally a bit down. So you have stairs to come downwards. I guess that's the name, Pataleshwar, right?
Pataleshwar. You can see us home.
Maybe.
Going towards hell.
No, please, it's a temple, dude. Come
Yeah,
on.
yeah, yeah, of course.
Come on, that's not. Anyways, it's an amazing place to be. If you're in Pune, I mean, do visit this. It's a must visit place. We'll do some photo shoot over here. Just look at it. So you have one Nandi over here, one over there, if you can see, and one is over here. Obviously, not the Murti, but yeah, obviously we are going to have a photo shoot over here right now. As I said, you can actually come here and chill. So yeah, we are done with everything inside. Now we are
with the
hungry.
darshan. Now we are super hungry. Now we'll be heading to FC Road, Khao Gali maybe.
Yeah, Khawgali jayenge.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it's an amazing place to be if you are into history or something like that. But again, crazy. Just look. So this street is called JM Corner, JM Road, and this connects to FC Road ahead. So Ferguson College again is one of the best colleges considered to be, as far as my knowledge goes. So yeah, that's again a good place to shop, chill. You have amazing cafes over there, and also it's famous for street food. So yeah, we are heading towards there and just show you. This street itself is like amazing, you know. It's I just love to be here. It's so calming, peaceful, except for the traffic noise that you get.
The actual Pune vibes.
Yeah, actual Pune vibes, you know, like all the student culture of Pune. So Pune is considered Oxford of the East. So if you want to have that vibes, it's here, nowhere else. So once we reach there, I'll start the video because yeah, what else will you see here? See you at FC. So we are still walking. It's like 1.2 kilometers from Pataleshwar Caves, FC city, FC road, Pune city FC बोल के.
Football.
But yeah, it's almost 1.2 kilometers we are walking. And this place again is a cool hangout place. Arey, focus so. Camera doesn't focus. But this again is a very cool place to hang out. There's you have shade and just
It's called Jangli Maharaj Road.
yeah,
J-
JM Road, JM Road. Weird name, but yeah, it's amazing place to chill by, and you will always find some college students over here. I'm tired. What about you? I'm hungry. I'm not tired. I'm not hungry. I'm hungry. I'm not tired. I'm hungry. I'm like next level hungry. So we just want to eat right now. See you at FC Road again.
क्लास को क्या भाई
ओढू का खाली
काय मॅडम तुमचे घ्यायचे आहेत वरती 2 चिमणे पुढे 2 आहेत पाठीमागे आणि आतमध्ये
That was Hong Kong lane I showed you. You can get literally anything for your phone. Anyone?
keychains, lockets and all other fancy stuff.
One complaint though. They have Barcelona. They don't have Liverpool. They have Manchester United. They don't have Liverpool.
Same in my case. They have Money Heist. They don't have Breaking Bad.
But that's cheating. Liverpool is better than any other team.
Controversy start करेगा तो अभी.
Challenge me on that. But honestly, I'm a Liverpool fan. So obviously I'll talk about that. But यार होना चाहिए यार. मेरे को मिलता ही नहीं है लिवरपूल का. हाँ?
Breaking Bad का नहीं मिलता.
I never get Liverpool, dude. Man, I searched every freaking shop that I could. I did not get Liverpool. क्या obsession है? We are better than Man U, यार. We are better than Man U.
Okay.
How is it?
Yeah, man.
This is the famous chocolate sandwich of
FC.
FC Road. Fun fact, I always pass by here, never stop. This is the first time of me eating, and it's amazing, right? It's seriously amazing. One of the iconic fast food you could say.
It's full of chocolate. Look at this. Pura, it's already chocolate sauce in it, and it's chocolate.
It's amazing. If you want to know the location, it's right after the turn of JM Corner. So I'll put the location in the description. Just check it out. Check this place out. It's amazing. That was the place where we ate
The
that
chocolate sandwich.
chocolate sandwich. It was so good, you know. Under it was filled with Nutella inside, and on the outside
Chocolate scrapings.
chocolate scrapings. It was amazing. And that crowd was for the restaurant Vaishali. I have come like 5 times. I've never been able to go inside. It's that packed.
I've just gone once and the crowd is so much just for this restaurant.
Just imagine it's Tuesday today. Tuesday 2:30. So it's just a working day. It's not even a holiday that we have come here.
It's known for South Indian food, Maharashtrian food like vada pav, sabudana vada, patata vada.
But yeah, food is worth it, I have heard. I don't know about how worth actually it is, but it is worth. This is the FC college, Ferguson College. What's FC college? But yeah, that's Ferguson College. On the name of that college, actually the name of this road is. And it's all, as you can see, eateries, things to eat, things to shop. Yeah, we're just walking, just figuring out what to eat. We actually had momos. We did not cover it. because we were hungry. But that momos, Sagar momos, in front of Vadeshwar bus stand. Dude, he gave literally, he had steam momos and he had what?
Masala. Masala. He sprinkled Maggi masala on top of it.
He sprinkled Maggi masala on top of that and it tasted amazing.
So creative too. The
Yeah,
smell
it's creative. It's so creative and with that mayonnaise, whoa, that's amazing. Just walking down the street,
2:30 in the afternoon.
yeah, just walking down, nothing else, just walking
And
randomly.
talking.
Yeah,
Because
obviously.
since we're friends since 4 years, we're having all our memory talks.
Yeah.
Rubbish.
Yeah, just chilling. Also, this Momo Panda and Frozen Bottle, if you can see, are good places to hang out if you just want to come and chill with your friends. Slightly on the expensive end, but yeah, it's worth it. So, I'll show whenever there is anything to show. Otherwise, it's all like this. That's the main gate for Ferguson College. It's again, as I said, it's one of the best colleges for arts and
Science.
not for science that much.
BSc stuff.
Not for science that much, but it's primarily known for its arts. So yeah, just chilling. So we are done with the exploring of FC Road. There was nothing much more to show you guys. That's why we just came over here. So overall, I felt it was amazing. Like the sandwich that we had, it was awesome. And even the momos, their links will be down. Obviously, I'll put them in the description. Go and check that out. And especially for the Pataleshwar, what do you think?
So it was unplanned because originally we only thought of visiting the FC Road and eating the street food stuff. But when he said Pataleshwar, we went, and I think I can say proudly that that is the highlight of our vlog.
Yeah, actually, it was like I messaged her in the morning that, hey, let's go to Pataleshwar. And that too, I came to know about it while I was searching FC Road on the Google Maps. But honestly, if you have a very short visit to Pune, like you are coming in the morning, going in the night, if that's the case, the two places that we would suggest is one, obviously go for Pataleshwar, then you have not Shaniwarwada, that's not something that you can see. Obviously you can see it from the outside, inside it's just the lawns and all.
Yeah,
So-
because the rest everything has been wrecked.
Yeah,
So
it's
not
wrecked,
much.
it's not maintained, but I think the Pataleshwar caves have been maintained pretty well.
Pretty well, yes.
Yes, and also I would say if you are a shopping freak, yeah, FC Road is the best place to go. We did not see as many stalls as we used to.
Yeah, it's because maybe because of the COVID.
Yeah, maybe because I remember before COVID when I went there, it was full of like this street side stalls and all. So it was give here. So it was full of these street side stalls, and you could have gotten anything that you want. So maybe that's because of COVID, and now not many people are operating there. That
In
was
fact, a lot of street food like chicken patty I was talking about.
Chicken-
That
yeah.
is literally famous in FC Road. People go there for that, but then we did not see that today. So maybe because of COVID
Maybe,
stuff
I mean-
and all, or maybe it might be opening in the evening after 7 o'clock.
maybe for shopping it's again a good place to go, and also to chill. The JM Road that I showed you, again it's a very good place to chill. The park opens at around 4:30 and it is open till 10:30, so again that's a very good place to chill by.
Also, it's like a place where all age groups can chill. It's not just college students, all age groups.
It's not
Preferably.
it's not
Preferably it's college though.
yeah it's
Obviously.
not it is a college area,
Yeah,
though.
but all
That's why.
age groups can chill.
Actually, it's not something like you can go for party to, or you can have a booze and stuff. It's nothing like that. It's just because of the trees and the cool, and it's cooler than the usual areas in Pune. So I would say Pataleshwar again is a very good place to go by, and FC Road again, it's obviously the place to hang out. It's the place to hang out for our Punekars. It's always like कहाँ चलना है घूमने? FC Road.
FC.
कहाँ चलना है? FC Road. So it's like the go-to spot. So then you can say by that it's a good place to chill. Overall, the trip was good. We enjoyed a lot. We talked so many things.
Too much, and we had future talks also.
And the thing is that We walked how much? 3 kilometers? 4 kilometers?
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers of the walk from Pataleshwar Caves to the end of FC
To
Road.
and fro, it was about 5 kilometers.
Yeah,
So we had a good walk,
Good
exercise
walk.
sort of thing. At the same time, we had a
good walk, good
eat,
walk, good eating, good food, good environment.
sightseeing, everything.
Everything.
Was good.
It
One
was
of
just-
the most memorable vlogs we could see.
Yeah,
This will be remembered.
actually. But yeah, I mean, it's a must-visit place, especially Pataleshwar. I recommended you to visit. I never say this much, right? We never say that you should visit it, but it is a place to visit because again, where will you find a 9th century cave in middle of a bustling city, right? You would never, you would not. I mean, hardly I guess there is any other place. Hardly, don't quote me. Maybe there is. I don't know about it. So yeah, what do you think about this vlog? Comment down below. And if you like the content, then do hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon.
Share.
Yeah, share. I can see 72% viewers are not subscribed. Please subscribe. It helps us. It motivates us a lot. And until next time, see you. Tata. Bye bye. And
Bye.
see you next time.